Hello, and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Matt, and today I will be demonstrating the SBOMqs tool from Interlink. SBOMqs is an open source software tool written in Go that can help assess the quality of software bill of materials through single SBOM files. It uses the command line interface to function. To install SBOMqs, there are 4 methods of installation: pre-built binaries, homebrew, Go install, and cloning and building the repository. For this demo, I will be installing with Go install. All installation options are provided on the tool's repository. We can type in the following command to install using Go. Go install github.com/interlink.io/SBOMqs@latest. When this command is run, the tool will be installed with its latest version. We can check if the tool has been successfully installed by typing out the following command: SBOMqs version. Here you can see that SBOMqs was successfully installed with version 0.013 and Go version 1.20.3. We can take a look at all of the available commands and their descriptions. If we type in the following command, SBOMqs-h, we can pull up all the available commands. The -h flag can also be used within all available commands to get further help. Let's generate an autocompletion script for a shell. We can write in the following command, SBOMqs completion, to generate a script for a specified shell. If we type in the -h flag, we can see all the available shells that can be generated. Let's generate the script for a PowerShell. SBOMqs completion PowerShell. Here we can see that the PowerShell completion for SBOMqs has been outputted. Now let's generate a score for an SBOM file. SBOMqs contains a sample folder of several SBOM files in their repository, which I will be using today. Currently, SBOMqs supports SPDX and CycloneDX formatted files. For SPDX, there is support for JSON, YAML, RDF, and tag value formatted files. For CycloneDX, there is support for both JSON and XML formatted files. Currently, support for SWID files is in development for the tool. To create a quality score, we can use the following command, SBOMqs score, with the file name as an argument. For this demo, I will use their sample julia.spdx.json file. Once we enter the command, the tool will output its quality score, the number of components, and the file name. The quality score is based on a scale from 0 to 10, with higher scores meaning the SBOM is more consumable. By default, the tool uses its detailed output format, which presents the results in a table format. 2 other scoring outputs are provided, one of which is basic, which only provides the overall quality score, which can be specified by using the -b or --basic flag. There is also JSON formatting, which outputs the score in JSON format. This can be done by specifying with the -j or --JSON flag. We can also specify which category is to be outputted using the following command after the file name, -c or --category. Let's try to print out Julia's quality category by outputting quality as the argument. Here you can see the only specified category was outputted. There are 2 other possible flags to use with the score command. However, I had several issues with using these. The other flag I had issues with is by testing and scoring using a specific number of categories or features. We can do this with the following command, SBOMqs generate features. This creates a YAML file with the current directory. This file can only be named features. If we open the features file, we are able to see each category, their criteria, and if all are enabled, which is set to true by default. When we modify the file, say if we change NTI minimum elements to false, as well as changing quality to false, and save it, this should modify the scoring to ignore these two categories. We can run the score command using the features file using the following flag, --config path, specifying what file we want to config to. In this case, it is the features file. Now, even though we modify the file so it would ignore the NTIE minimum elements and quality, both are still shown up in the score. Both of these issues were mentioned on the Tools Issues page on GitHub. One of the creators stated that these issues are known and are actively being worked on. These issues should be fixed for the next version, which is version 0.0.14. SBOMqs also allows for the creation of a shareable SBOM quality report. If we type in the following command, SBOMqs share, with the desired file name, the score and a share link are outputted. Let's do this with the Julia file. As you can see, the command outputs the score in basic formatting, along with a share link to the score page. When we click on the share link, it takes us to the reports page, along with the quality score, the file that was scored on. We also can see each individual score for every category and feature. Links are also provided for more information on each category and any scores given. Overall, this tool is easy to use and fast to assess the quality of SBOMs through the tool score methods. The current features are easy to use and easy to understand for every user, with a simple interface and simple commands to input. While some of the features and flags have some issues, this tool is early in its development, so fixes and more features are to come. This tool is definitely useful for quick assessment of current SBOMs. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and contact us at LearnSBOM.com.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.